Inshallah, in this class, we are going to see the little concept and formulas of transformation of axis. We say transformation of axis or change of axis. In this, we are having two types of questions. First is based on translation of axis. Now, let me understand what is actually translation of axis. Suppose you are having, see, a coordinate axis. I'm drawing the first coordinate. Suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin. Suppose there is a point P small x comma y, small x comma y. Now watch carefully. What is the meaning of here x? X is this distance. This is called small x. Okay. And suppose this distance is y. Okay. Distance from x-axis is y. Distance from y-axis is x. Okay. So in translation of axis, actually we transform this axis from one point to another point. We change this axis from one point to another point. This is origin. No? Suppose we shift somewhere this axis, coordinate axis. Okay. Suppose this x dash and this is y dash. Now let the origin, new origin is denoted by h comma k. So you see here, watch carefully. This will be h and this will be k. Now when the axis changes, the point coordinates will also be changes. That is represented by capital X comma y. Capital X comma y. Then the relation between, you see here, small xy, this is called old coordinates. Old coordinates, or we say by different names. Initial coordinates, initial coordinates, or original coordinates. Original coordinates, or okay, of a point, of a point, small xy. And what will be the capital xy? Capital xy will be the new coordinates of the point. New coordinates of the point. And what is h comma k? H comma k is the new origin. New origin. No, we must always remember this. Small xy represent, we are representing the coordinates of the previous actual original, or we can say initial coordinates of the point. When the axis changes, translation, then the point will changes. That point will be represented by capital XY. What is the relation here? The relation here is small x equals to capital X plus h, small y equals to capital Y plus k. We must remember these two formulas, these two values. Small x equals to capital X plus h, this is h. Small x is this one, small x equals to, this is capital X plus h. Similarly, small y equals to capital Y, this will be capital Y plus k. So we must remember the relation of the these coordinates. Small x equals to capital X plus h, small y equals to capital Y plus k. Now must by heart these two formulas. One is the transformed equation. Whenever the transform equation is asked, we have to use the formula f of x plus h comma y plus k equals to 0. This formula is used for the transformed equation. When the question is asked find the transformed equation, we have to use this formula f of x plus h comma y plus k equals to 0. And when the question is about the original equation, then we have to use f of x minus h comma y minus k equals to 0. F of x minus h comma y minus k equals to 0 for original equation. Now see here the next concept we have to see now here. Suppose the axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin. Now the next case is we are not ch changing the axis, we are keeping here itself, we are not shifting, but we are rotating it. We are rotating it. Then we say this is the rotation of axis. Suppose you rotate this one, okay. This angle is called angle of rotation. Angle of rotation. Okay. Same way in the if the previous point is a small xy, then after rotation the point changes to capital XY. So same in the way here also we'll have a relation, but the relation is, watch carefully, we are going to use table, small table, for easier of it will be easy to understand the formulas. You must write small xy here and capital XY here. Start with cos theta, sin theta, cos theta. Only one value is negative. This one is negative. Okay. So see here, this table can be used to find the values, the relation between small x and small y and capital X and capital. Suppose we have to find small x, then we have to go like this. You see here, small x equals to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. We have to write this to with these coefficients, x coefficient, y coefficients. So what will be x? X equals to x cos theta, capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Similarly, small y can be written as small y equals to capital X sin theta, capital X sin theta minus, sorry, plus capital Y cos theta. So these are the values when we have to find the small xy, that is original coordinates. Suppose we have to find the new coordinates capital XY, capital XY. Then how can we write capital X equals to small x cos theta plus small y sin theta, like this. Watch carefully. Capital X equals to x cos theta, small x cos theta plus small y sin theta. In the same way, capital Y equals to minus x sin theta, minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So in the rotation of axis, what we do? We use the table to find the xy terms. You write a small xy here, capital XY here. Start with cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. Now how can we write small x equals to capital X sin theta cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Small y equals to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. In the same way, capital X equals to x sin theta plus y, sorry, x cos theta plus y sin theta. Capital Y equals to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Now see here also in rotation of axis, we have to find the transformed equation and we have to find the original equation. How to remember? For transform equation you have to go like this, and for original equation from you go from top to bottom, and for transform equation you go from left to right. Now watch carefully. The transformed equation is f of, watch carefully how to write. This is the x coordinate, x cos theta minus y sin theta. This is the x coordinate, x cos theta minus y sin theta, x cos theta minus y sin theta, comma, y coordinate will be x sin theta plus y cos theta. Y coordinate is x sin theta plus y cos theta. So x sin theta plus y cos theta equals to 0. This equation is called the transformed equation. Transformed equation is x coordinate is x cos theta minus y sin theta, and y coordinate is x sin theta plus y cos theta. We have to go like this. Now for original equation is, watch carefully, we have to go like this. So go like this, x sin cos theta plus y sin theta. X coordinate is small x cos theta, small x cos theta plus small y sin theta, small y sin theta. X cos theta plus y sin theta, comma, this is minus, no, minus x sin theta, minus x sin theta plus y cos theta equals to 0, equals to 0. So this will be the formulas for transform equation for original equation. Now the next concept, you see, the general equation is, we have to by heart this equation. The general equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. From here to here, you see here, the power of x is 2 degree, we say degree is 2 here, power is 2 here, a is constant here, also the power of y is 2 degree, here is 2, b is constant. We see only the degree power of x and y, h, g, f, c, a, b are the constants. So here the degree is 2, here also degree is 2, here also x degree power is 1, y power is 1, so 1 plus 1 2, here also degree is 2. So from here to here we can call this as second degree equation, second degree terms. Now these two terms here, the x power is 1 by power 1 is, so this called first degree terms, first degree terms, and this is called the constant term. This is called the constant term. Now there are two formulas here. The point to which the axis is to be shifted means new origin. To remove the first degree terms, to remove the first degree terms, to remove the first degree terms, or we can say to remove x and y terms, to remove x and y terms. X and y terms are called the first degree terms. So there is a formula we have to by heart. This p equals to hf minus bg by ab minus h square gh minus af by ab minus h square. So this is the formula used to when we have to use this formula to remove the point new origin, to remove the first degree term or x and y term. So one more formula is here, see here, to angle to remove x and y term, xy term, sorry, x and y term is this term, xy term is this term. Watch carefully, what is the difference? X and y terms means this two first degree, whereas we say xy term means xy is this term, x and y means these terms. These are two terms, x and y terms different. Xy means only this term. So angle to remove the xy term, we have to remove this. So there is an angle formula. For proofs, we can, you can see the parts of the, so the angle of rotation to remove the xy term is theta equals to 2 tan inverse, so tan inverse 2h by a minus b. Theta equals to 2 tan, just wait here. See here the angle of rotation, sorry, this is half tan inverse 2h by a minus b. Half tan in h 2h by a minus b. Now see here, next is the small concept is there. In trigonometry, we are going to study this detail, but in transformation of axes, we required these values 30 degrees and 45 degrees and 60 degrees are used in transformation of axis. Tan sine 30 is 1 by 2, 45 degrees is root 3 by 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, and this is 1 by 2. And lastly, tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3, 45 degrees is 1, 60 degrees is root 3. So only these values are going to be used in transformation of axis. Generally, we are going to use these four values. If you want the detailed values, you go in trigonometry, okay? So these are the formulas and the concepts we use in the transformation of axis, or some books it is written as change of axis. So in this we are having two translation of axis, one is and rotation of axis. In translation of axis we shift the axis to some different point, and in rotation of axis we just keep the axis if there it is, but we are rotating it. So I request to the students, you first write these formulas in one paper, you first paperize these formulas, then you must by heart these formulas, then only you can understand the concepts. So I request, if you are understanding this in I request you to like the chat, like and subscribe